Today we're diving into the Orbit 50021 2-zone all-in-one automatic watering system, your ultimate solution for effortless yard irrigation. This innovative system is designed to create a beautiful lawn with ease, allowing you to water your plants even while you're away, thanks to its smart and convenient features. Built with a patented Blu-Lock tubing system, it ensures quick installation and boasts 25% stronger connections, making it a durable choice for any yard. The 6-gear drive sprinkler heads provide head-to-head coverage, delivering even irrigation to prevent dry spots and keep your lawn lush and green. Say goodbye to manual watering and enjoy a well-maintained yard all season long with this automatic watering system. Plus, it comes with all the necessary components, including a digital timer and instruction manual, making installation a breeze. Transform your hose faucet into a garden irrigation system and experience the convenience of a perfectly maintained lawn with the Orbit 50021. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.